Alright guys, just like that, we dropped my friend off at the airport, and now we just got to make our way back to Ehrenberg, which is about 2 hours and 40 minutes. First I have to find my way out of this airport, though. I always get lost every time I'm at the Phoenix airport. Oh boy, round and round we go. All right, guys, now I think we're on to something. I see signs for Interstate 10. Well guys, I did make it home. God, that was a drive. Especially after last night because I barely slept. So I came home, had a little nap, had a shower, shaved my face. I feel human again. Now I guess we will see what type of shenanigans we'll get up to tonight. Well guys, again, we've got a beautiful sunset forming. Oh, that view just does not get old. And you can see we've got a few people parasailing, I think it's called, or paragliding, I'm not sure. If you know, tell me in the comments. So cool. Anyways, I'm sure there'll be another shenanigan-filled night here soon. Okay guys, and there's our destination right there ahead of us. God, look at the dust. Yuck. And why do I not see any other cars? Something tells me it's probably not open. Now that I've loaded everything into the truck, let's go see. Only me. Why do I not investigate these things? I should have looked on Google to see what time they close, because they close at 4 and it's 3:47. And now I literally have everything I own in the back seat as far as laundry goes. Damn it. I don't know if there's another one maybe in Blythe. I'll pull over up the road and check on Google before I drive anywhere else and realize that it's not open. Today's just a crappy day, I guess. Between the wind, the dust, and now driving all the way to the laundromat just to find out it's closed. Oh well. Okay, well, it turns out there is several in Blythe, and it says they're open, so all the way around this traffic circle we go, and we'll get on the interstate, highway, whatever you want to call it, and head into California. We're right in Ehrenberg, so we're right on the border. Not going very far away. Actually, I'm merging onto the highway, and then immediately you come to the agricultural inspection for California. God, the air is gross. Yeah. So as soon as you merge on the highway, you're immediately met with the state line, followed by the agricultural inspection. How gross the air is today. Let's jump over here. This is the only issue with crossing over to Blythe for anything, is sometimes the inspection checkpoint can get quite backed up. Seems to be flowing all right today though. God, look at that dust, or sand, or dirt, or whatever it is. Okay, guys, laundry washed, truck on and drive, and now to go and find something to eat for dinner because it's late now. I don't feel like cooking. I think it's close to 5 o'clock. My laundry took a lot longer than anticipated. Come on, son. Look how horrible I look in the sun. Okay, what do we want to eat? All right, let's try this Mexican place out and see if it's any good. All right, just like that, home sweet home. I stopped off and got myself a large sweet tea along the way. Oh, delicious. And even more delicious, I got myself a chimichanga with some homemade hot sauce. Yum, 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 yum. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Rolling down the highway. Another day is upon us. We've decided to leave Skooliepalooza. We are heading back to Quartzsite, thankfully, because the traffic going the opposite way, well, as you can see up in the corner, is crazy. And just like that, we're back in Quartzsite, and as you can see, it is still just as busy as it was when we left. But January is prime time for Quartzsite, so everybody comes down. Market doesn't look terribly busy, but it's getting later on in the day. I think it's probably about 4 o'clock or so. Now we just got to continue on to the LTVA. We're going to head to Skooliepalooza South so I can deal with these tanks and fill my water. Bobo, are you happy to be back? Huh? You're back on the LTVA, Bo? Wow. Oh, for sale. I was gonna say, what the heck is he towing? Okay, doesn't look like there's many people in line for the dump station. Thank God. I think I've mentioned previously that sometimes they can back up and you can sit here in line for, you know, what seems like forever. I think there's only a handful of people in line today, so we got lucky by the looks of it. Oh, just my luck lately, guys. Apparently they're shutting the water off now at 4 o'clock. And it is after 4 o'clock, so no water for us. Stay. Lucky for me, we're only staying here for one night. The wind is probably not cooperating with me. Maybe if I stand this way. Anyways, so I'm not even going to bother putting the jacks down or the slides out. I don't even think I'll take my truck off. We'll be here for the night, and then tomorrow morning we are going to move on somewhere else. So go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.